You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing food names, stay tuned. I've got tons more confusing ones for you. I'll link to a few at the end of this video. It comes from German. If you want to learn the German pronunciation, for reference, Pretzel. Pretzel is how it's pronounced. Now, in English, it's usually pronounced as pretzel. Alright, pretzel. Pretzel. It's easy once you know. Pretzel, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.